Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you working with a list of potential products from suppliers, but worried outdated prices could hurt your profit margins? We've got you covered. With the Asinzen Insight add-on, the Arbitrage Update Supplier Price function automatically fetches the latest prices directly from your supplier's websites. This means you can quickly reanalyze your leads and make smarter, more profitable decisions. And the best part? It supports over 100 popular suppliers. Let's walk you through how to use this powerful feature. You've got two simple options. Method 1, use the function directly in a cell. Just type arbitrage update, supplier price with the Amazon Marketplace, and supplier product URL in parentheses. Hit enter, and the updated price pops up instantly. Method 2, use the function builder for an even easier workflow. Go to Extensions, Asinzen Insight, Function Builder. Search for Arbitrage Update Supplier Price. Select the cells with supplier product URLs and let the function do the work for you. In just seconds, you'll have the most up-to-date prices for all your leads. Stay ahead of the game with accurate data and uncover hidden opportunities effortlessly. Install the Asinzen Insight add-on today and try it for yourself. Click the link below to get started now. Your profits will thank you.